Hello, talking about your SHYN Large Hamper. Pretty big, isn't it? Now, let me explain what comes in this. You will have your 1 litre degreaser. Now the degreaser, the 1 litre degreaser, is made to cut through built up chemical residue or built up grease and grime like that. It marinates through the build-up, making it easy to lift. That's what our SHYN degreaser does. So that is a must-have. Also, the grey and pink SHYN Microfiber Cloths are used wet to remove surface grime, surface dirt, and they're also used dry to pick up and trap the dust. You will only need to maintain your surfaces on a regular basis with this cloth to wash, to pick up, to trap, instead of using chemical where you don't need to. Second thing, so you will receive 6 of those because you use them everywhere. In the bathroom, dusting, in the kitchen, to remove product. And then we have our grey SHYN glass cloth infused with bamboo. Clean your glass, clean your kitchen cupboards, clean your shower glass, clean your mirrors, your sink and tapware with wet, 1 to wash, 1 to dry. Done. Streak free, chemical free, no need to worry, on a regular basis. Then we also give you our medium size, or it's a small, this is a small, our medium SHYN paste. Now this is used only to cut through heavy duty stains, surface rust, heavy duty built up grime, marks on stone, rust marks on tiles. It's just an amazing when you need it, an amazing tool, product when you need it. So we've gone through. You've got your 6 microfiber cloths, multi-use. You have your 3 amazing ultimate glass cloths. You have your trigger, commercial trigger, and your hose to go into your SHYN degreaser, which can be diluted 50-50. It is quite strong. And you have 5 double size magic erasers. Now I say double size because you cut them in half.